Insert minicam and wood dowel into each hole on the board 3, 4, and 5. Then, attach board 5 on the board 2. Then screw it by using CSKM 4x 38mm. Insert wood dowel into each hole on the board 2. Attach board 3 and 4, then screw it by using CSKM 4x 38mm. Insert wood dowel into board 6. Screw L bracket between board 6 and 2. Insert nail leg at the bottom of the cabinet. Slide in board 7. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 1. Insert and tap door stopper on the board 1. Attach board 1 as the top of the cabinet. Tighten the minicam. Screw hinges by using CSKM 3.5x 16mm. Then, screw hinges as the door of the cabinet.